Hello everyone. Hope you had an awesome week last week. Let me know in the comment box below if you did. For the coming week, we'll be taking a look at the AUDCHF, NZDCHF, AUDCAD, and the NZDCAD. The previous week obeyed the analysis almost to point. Euro USD broke through the trend line. GBP USD also broke and retested the trend line to remain bearish. AUDCHF also broke the trend line and retested to stay bearish. And the Euro AUD broke above the trend line to stay bullish and end up neutral at the end of the week. Let us forge on and move ahead to what we have for the coming week. AUDCHF is a pair that was available on the watch list for the previous week. It makes it into this week as well. As we can clearly see, we are not fully done with this trend line. For the coming week, I'll be expecting a retracement back into the area of the trend line to act as a resistance to push prices further down for the bears to step in. If this retracement to this point comes and there is a breakout over here, I'll let go of my bearish bias. So I'm still maintaining my bearish view on the AUDCHF for the retest to this area, and that is one thing you should also be taking note of. Let us move on to the counterpart of the AUDCHF. NZDCHF is the positive correlation counterpart of the AUDCHF, and from the trend line and the current market structure, we can clearly see that they are very much related. So for the coming week, the NZDCHF bears all the similarities of the AUDCHF as well. I'll be looking forward to a retracement to this area for a retest to occur for prices to push back down for the bears to gain more momentum on the NZDCHF. Also, like on the AUDCHF, if this retracement to this area comes and we break through this trend line for the boost to take over, then I'll let go of my bearish bias. Let us move on to the last positively correlated pairs for the week. You are free to brand this week as one that is full of retest or possible retracements to key levels for bearishness to be maintained. We can see that the AUDCAD is also currently bearish as it is under a key market structure, that is this uptrend line. For the coming week, just like on the first two pairs, I'll be looking towards a retest to the area of the trend line to act as a resistance for the prices to fall further down for the AUDCAD. Let us move on to the last pair for the week. Similar price action, similar currency pairs, similar setups. The NZDCAD also falls below the uptrend line and it is currently bearish. So for the coming week, we'll be looking at a similar setup, that is a retest to the trend line for the prices to pull further back down on the NZDCAD. If this scenario comes through and there's a retest to the area of the trend line, and even unfortunately it breaks through the uptrend line, I'll let go of my bearish bias. That is it for the coming week. I wish you a profitable trading week. Do well to like my content and subscribe if you gain any value from it. Thank you.